The AIMS report has confirmed that Sushant Singh Rajput was not murdered. He died by suicide. Now, the AIMS panel that looked into the actor's death has already submitted its report to the CBI, which will now decide on the future course of action. The Shiv Sena is now claiming moral victory and is demanding an apology from those who had targeted the Mumbai police time and again in the course of this investigation.
Sushant Singh Rajput was not poisoned. He was not murdered. The actor died by suicide. A 7-member committee of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, or AIMS, has submitted its report to the CBI, ruling out foul play. With the AIMS findings now public, the Maharashtra government and Mumbai police are claiming vindication. The Shiv Sena, under attack from various quarters over Sushant's death, has come out all guns blazing. Its mouthpiece Samna went ballistic in an article, targeting the Bihar government and former Director General of Police Gupteshwar Pandey in particular. Samna has demanded that politicians and channels that bark like dogs should now apologize to Maharashtra. It accused Nitish Kumar of raking up the issue with elections in mind and claimed a conspiracy to defame Maharashtra.
हमेशा पहले दिन से एक बहुत बड़ा षड्यंत्र यहाँ रचा गया। एक तो राज्य सरकार को बदनाम, महाराष्ट्र सरकार को बदनाम करना, मुंबई पुलिस को बदनाम करना, ठाकरे परिवार को बदनाम करना, हम सभी के खिलाफ एक बदनामी का एक मुहिम चलाना। लेकिन उससे सुशांत को न्याय नहीं मिला। ये सब लोग मिलकर सुशांत को भी बदनाम कर रहे हैं और सुशांत के परिवार को भी बदनाम कर रहे हैं।
The Sena from the beginning had pitched it as a fight for Maharashtra's pride, forcing the BJP to walk a tightrope. Former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who is the BJP's in charge for the Bihar elections, has been muted in his response to the allegations by his Bihar colleagues. The state party too has not been very aggressive, but accused the Sena of insulting the dead.
शिवसेना नेताओं ने सुशांत के बुजुर्ग पिता को और उनके पूरे परिवार को अपमानित किया था। कम से कम सुशांत मौत के द्वार पर भगवान के घर गए हैं। मौत के बाद दुश्मन भी हो तो उसके पीठ पीछे भला बुरा नहीं कहा जाता। ये हिंदू धर्म का संस्कार है। शायद शिवसेना के नेता भूल चुके हैं।
The Sena has hit back, claiming the Mumbai police had not made Sushant's drug habits public, which was done by other agencies.
There is no end to controversy and politics over Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Even after AIMS forensic report, questions are being raised and political slugfest is on. Given the upcoming Bihar election, it's likely that this is not going to end soon. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.